So here's the deal. A few years ago, I got hit with something I never really saw coming, and that was testicular cancer. It's not exactly something you plan for or pencil into your calendar. Luckily, though, I ended up in the hands of one of the best, and that's Dr. Larry Einhorn. He was able to bring the survival rate from 10% all the way up to 80%. And so he's still, to this day, working for the IU Simon Cancer Center. And that's why we're here. Golf, good people, and giving back to the place that helped me beat cancer in the first place. Prezi Fight Strong isn't just a motto, it's what we do here. This year, we raised over $52,000 in a single event. Every single penny of that is going directly towards that organization. As of today, I'm officially 4 years cancer-free. Huge thanks to everyone that came out, donated, swung a club, or just showed up to support. So let's keep fighting strong, and we'll see you guys next year.